Artisan versus KitchenAid Classic. Same iconic brand, same tilt head design, but one costs significantly more than the other. And here's what KitchenAid doesn't want you to know. That extra money you're spending on the Artisan might not actually improve your baking at all. In fact, for most home bakers, those premium features could be completely unnecessary. So what's the real difference between these two popular stand mixers? Does that bigger bowl and more powerful motor actually perform better? And more importantly, which one delivers the best value for how you actually bake at home? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which KitchenAid belongs in your kitchen, and you might be surprised by the answer. Let's start with the basics. The KitchenAid Classic has been the entry point into stand mixer ownership for decades. It features a 4.5-quart bowl, a 275-watt motor, and 10 speed settings. Simple, functional, and capable of handling most home baking tasks without complaint. Then there's the Artisan, KitchenAid's most popular model. It boasts a 5-quart bowl, a 325-watt motor, and comes in dozens of color options that make it an Instagram-worthy kitchen statement piece. It sounds more impressive. More capacity, more power, more style. Better performance, right? But here's where things get controversial. That Artisan upgrade will cost you roughly 50 to 70% more than the Classic. You're paying significantly extra for one additional speed, half a quart more capacity, 50 extra watts, and access to trendy colors. Both mixers feature KitchenAid's signature tilt head design. Both come with the same 3 standard attachments, flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip. Both are compatible with KitchenAid's extensive attachment ecosystem, pasta rollers, meat grinders, spiralizers. Both carry KitchenAid's 1-year limited warranty. On paper, they're nearly identical except for bowl size and motor power. So why does KitchenAid even make 2 different models? And more importantly, why do some bakers swear by the Artisan while others insist the Classic handles everything they need? The marketing tells you the Artisan's larger bowl lets you make bigger batches of bread dough or cookie recipes in the Classic's smaller bowl. The Artisan's 5-quart capacity supposedly handles everything from small batches to large family recipes. Classic defenders counter that 4.5 quarts is already overkill for most home baking. They point out that the actual usable capacity difference is minimal, maybe 2 extra cookies or 1 additional dinner roll. For typical home recipes, the Classic's bowl size handles everything without issue. Real-world testing reveals something interesting. Both mixers handle standard recipes identically. A typical chocolate chip cookie recipe makes the same number of cookies in either bowl. Standard bread dough recipes work fine in both. The capacity difference only matters if you regularly double or triple recipes, which most home bakers don't do. But here's what the testing also shows. The Artisan's larger bowl does provide more clearance when using certain attachments, like the pasta roller or food grinder. That extra space can make attachment use slightly more convenient, though it doesn't actually affect the mixing performance. Now let's talk about something that actually matters when you're kneading bread dough: motor power. The Classic features 275 watts. The Artisan has 325 watts. That's 50 watts more power, a little bit of extra muscle. For some bakers, that extra power feels substantial when working with dense bread doughs or heavy batters. The motor sounds slightly less strained. The mixer feels more confident tackling challenging recipes. If you value that reassuring sense of capability, the Artisan delivers. For others, the Classic's motor proves perfectly adequate for all home baking tasks. Bread dough kneads properly, cookie dough mixes thoroughly, even dense bagel dough gets worked without the motor struggling. Many bakers specifically report using the Classic for years without ever wishing for more power. Independent stress testing shows both motors handle standard home recipes without overheating or struggling. The Artisan's extra watts provide headroom for the most challenging tasks, but the Classic rarely encounters recipes that exceed its capabilities. Both mixers will need 2 loaves worth of bread dough without complaint. Something nobody mentions in the performance comparisons. A significant portion of the Artisan's premium comes from color options and aesthetics. The Classic comes in basic colors: white, black, onyx black. The Artisan offers dozens of options, from pistachio to aqua sky to candy apple red. For some buyers, having a mixer that matches their kitchen decor or personal style genuinely matters. The stand mixer sits on the counter, visible every day. If it brings you joy to see a beautiful appliance in your signature color, that aesthetic value is real and worth paying for. For others, functionality trumps appearance entirely. The mixer is a tool that gets used and put away.
Color doesn't affect baking performance. Paying extra for aesthetic options when the classic performs identically seems wasteful. Better to invest that money in quality ingredients or additional attachments. Here's a subtle difference that matters more than you'd think: the bowl handle. The classic features a traditional C-shaped handle that wraps around the bowl. The Artisan uses a more ergonomic, contoured handle that some users find more comfortable when lifting and pouring. The Artisan's bowl also includes convenient measurement markings on the interior, making it easier to gauge quantities without separate measuring cups for precision. The Classic's bowl lacks these markings, requiring separate measuring cups for precision. These seem like minor differences until you're actually using the mixer regularly. If you frequently lift heavy bowls or appreciate the convenience of built-in measurements, the Artisan's bowl design improvements provide real practical value beyond just capacity. Alright, let's get to the truth that actually matters when you're standing in your kitchen trying to bake. In real-world baking scenarios, both the Classic and Artisan perform exceptionally well. Both mixers cream butter and sugar beautifully. Both knead bread dough thoroughly. Both whip cream and egg whites to perfect peaks. Both handle cookie dough, cake batter, and muffin mixes without issue. Both are durable enough to last literally decades with proper care. The performance differences are so subtle that blind baking tests show people cannot identify which mixer prepared their food. Home bakers using both models side by side report minimal practical differences in day-to-day baking. Here's what really emerges after extended use. The Artisan's extra power and capacity provide legitimate advantages only when you're regularly making large batches or extremely dense doughs. For those specific scenarios, the Artisan offers meaningful benefits. But for everyday baking, making a batch of cookies, whipping up a cake, kneading a standard bread recipe, the Classic performs identically to the Artisan. That extra power and capacity don't improve your chocolate chip cookies or make your cake rise higher. So which KitchenAid actually wins? Here's our honest recommendation based on how you actually bake at home. Choose the Classic if you want legendary KitchenAid performance at the most accessible price point. You're getting the same build quality, the same attachment compatibility, and virtually identical mixing results for everyday recipes. The money you save can go toward attachments, baking tools, or quality ingredients. Most home bakers will never encounter the Classic's limits in their actual baking. Choose the Artisan if you regularly bake large batches, frequently make dense bread doughs, or genuinely value having your mixer in a specific color that brings you joy. The extra capacity and power do provide advantages for ambitious baking projects. If you're a serious baking enthusiast who appreciates marginal improvements and aesthetic options, the Artisan delivers. Here's the bottom line. Both mixers are exceptional investments that will serve you for decades. The Classic gives you professional quality KitchenAid performance at a more accessible price point. The Artisan provides extra capacity and power that matter primarily to high-volume or advanced home bakers. For most people buying their first stand mixer, the Classic is the smarter choice. You get 95% of the performance for significantly less investment. Those savings add up when you're buying attachments and supplies. What's your experience with KitchenAid? Are you Team Classic or Team Artisan? Drop a comment and let us know which model you'd choose and why. If this comparison helped you make a decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews. We cut through the marketing hype so you can invest in the right tools for your kitchen. Thanks for watching.